How to see old Discord servers you left. So if you want to see your old Discord servers you left, then what you can do is just simply open up your Discord application at first, launch the application. Now you can just simply go with the bottom left, which has that plus icon. And from here, you can simply tap on join a server, and you may have an invite link. Previously, your friend might have sent you the invite link to join the server. You may have that link. So you just need to simply paste that link right here and you will find that. But if you don't have a link, and if you want to see your old Discord servers that you've left, then the only other way is to go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go with settings, which is on the top right. And here, if you scroll down, then you will have an option to download your information on your privacy and safety. So you just need to simply search for privacy and safety, tap on data and privacy, and under your data and privacy, you will have request all of my data. So tap on it, and after that again tap on request my data, and it may take up to 30 days to collect your data. So you will receive an email to the address that you've registered with when your package is ready. And after that you will have all of your data, so you can know the old Discord servers that you've left. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.